Hello everyone. Aloo Bhujia is a very popular Indian snack which is light and crunchy. As the name suggests, it is made with boiled potatoes and gram flour. You can customize the flavors to your likings. This is so yummy that you just can't stop eating. You're watching DCIT channel, and in DCIT recipes, we brought a very popular dry snack, Aloo Bhujia. To make the bhujia, we would need 2 medium-sized potatoes. Transfer them to a pressure cooker and add water. Pressure cook until just done. Once the pressure settles, remove the potato skin and let it cool completely. Now, take a mixie jar and add 3 green chillies and a small piece of ginger. Grind it. You can add mint leaves or dry mint powder. We skipped it. Add the boiled potatoes. You can even grate these boiled potatoes. Make a smooth paste. Something like this with no big pieces or lumps. Transfer the potato paste in a big bowl. It will be easier to mix all the ingredients. Add 2 cups of gram flour. Also add half cup of rice flour. Add half tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. You can change quantity as per your palate. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half tablespoon of Garam Masala. Mix everything well to form a dough. We forgot to add 2 spices before. Please add this along with other spices. Half tablespoon of chaat masala and half tablespoon of dry mango powder. Let's continue to make dough. If you find the dough dry, you can add water. If the dough is sticky, add more gram flour and rice flour. Grease your hands with oil and knead the dough into a soft and non-sticky dough. Take the Sev Maker with a small hole attachment. Grease it generously. Shape little quantity of dough into a log and keep that inside the Sev Maker. Now, heat oil in a pan. Drop a small portion of dough in the oil to test. It should come up immediately. That is the right temperature. Now, press the Sev Maker to release the bhujias directly in the oil. Press and keep moving your hand in a circular motion. Use a spoon or your fingers to break down the sev from the maker. Fry the sev on medium heat. When it is done on one side, gently flip it to the other side to fry. It is done when the oil no longer bubbles. Remove the bhujia from the oil and transfer onto a tissue paper. Let us try with the even smaller hole attachment. Repeat the same steps as mentioned before. This one will fry faster as the bhujias are thinner than the previous one. Flip and fry this as well. Let's take this out too. Let the bhujias cool. To serve, crush the bhujias in smaller pieces. See how crunchy they are? You can store this in an airtight container for 1 month at the room temperature. Do try this recipe and give us your feedback in the comment section below. For more such recipes, please subscribe to our DCIT channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you.